Which smart boxing trainer is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to figure it out. Today, we're going to break down what makes each of these options stand out and help you make the right choice. Product number 1, TGLLM Music Boxing Machine. The TGLLM Music Boxing Machine caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive functionality. Priced at $69.99, it's geared toward anyone looking to enhance their boxing game while having fun at home. If you want an engaging way to boost your reaction speed and coordination, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 9 modes and speeds, you can tailor your workout to match your skill level, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned boxer. The LED display tracks your punches, giving you real-time feedback, which is super motivating. Plus, the Bluetooth connectivity lets you jam out to your favorite tunes while training. It's versatile enough for all ages, making it a great family activity. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you follow the instructions closely, it's pretty straightforward. Just make sure you have a solid wall to mount it on and you'll be good to go. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fun way to integrate fitness into your home routine. Skip this one if you're after something more portable, as it needs to be wall mounted. But at this price point, it offers solid value for a home workout solution. Now, if the TGLLM's installation issues bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, LOLbox Music Boxing Machine. The LOLbox Music Boxing Machine, priced at $59.99. What caught my attention here is its advanced sound quality and ease of setup. If you want a straightforward way to train at home, this one's definitely worth considering. Why does this matter? This boxing machine has multiple speed options, adjustable resistance levels, and a built-in punch counter, which makes tracking your progress super easy. It even connects to your phone via Bluetooth, letting you blast your favorite workout playlists without missing a beat. The lightweight design means you can easily mount it wherever you want, making it super convenient for home, office, or gym use. However, some users mentioned that the punch counter can be a bit inconsistent at times, but honestly, for most casual users, I think the fun and interactive experience outweigh that drawback. If you're really focused on precision counting, it might be a concern, but for everyone else, it's not a deal breaker. This is a great choice if you're looking for an engaging way to relieve stress through boxing. Skip it if you're a serious competitor who needs the most accurate tracking, but for casual fitness, it's an excellent value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for a fun family workout. Product number 3, TGLLM Smart Boxing Machine. The TGLLM Smart Boxing Machine is another impressive contender, retailing for $69.99. I was drawn in by its colorful design and user-friendly features. If you're looking to improve coordination and make workouts enjoyable, this one deserves your attention. This machine packs 9 different modes and speeds, catering to various skill levels, which means everyone can join in. The LED display keeps track of your punches, making it easy to see your progress. Plus, with Bluetooth connectivity, you can punch along to your favorite tunes while enjoying the built-in surround sound. Perfect for keeping you motivated. Some reviewers pointed out that it could be hard to find the right height for different users, but here's the thing. Once you get it set up, it accommodates both adults and kids really well. Just give it a little time to adjust, and you'll be good. This is perfect for families or anyone looking to add a fun fitness element to their routine. Skip this if you need something extremely portable, as it's wall-mounted, but the value for family fun and fitness is hard to beat. Now, if you find that adjusting the height was a hassle, this next product offers a more flexible solution. Product number 4, LOBox Upgraded Music Boxing Machine. The LOBox Upgraded Music Boxing Machine, available for $69.99. What caught my eye is the high-capacity battery and professional sound optimization, which really enhances your workout experience. If you want solid music quality while you box, this one is worth checking out. This boxing machine features 9 volume levels for a fully customizable audio experience. It connects via Bluetooth, allowing you to stream your favorite tracks while you punch. The smart touchscreen adjusts speed and lighting effects, making workouts more engaging. Plus, it's designed for all skill levels, so anyone can jump in and start training right away. However, a few users found the setup process a bit lengthy, but honestly, once it's up and running, the performance you get is excellent. For someone looking for an immersive boxing experience, the setup is a small price to pay. This is perfect for those who want an interactive workout with great sound. Skip it if you're looking for something with minimal setup, but the engaging experience makes it a worthwhile investment. All right, that brings us to our final product, which is perfect for those looking for a budget-friendly option.
Product number 5, Upvoci Upgraded Music Punching Machine. We have the Upvoci Upgraded Music Punching Machine, priced at just $34.99. I was impressed by how budget-friendly this option is, while still packing some decent features. If you're new to boxing or need a fun way to get kids moving, this is a fantastic choice. This machine includes 3 adjustable speed modes and connects to Bluetooth for music playback. It has high-density cushioning to protect your hands while delivering a satisfying punch. Plus, the LED lights add a fun element to your workout, making it visually engaging. It's designed to be easy to install, so you can get started quickly. However, some users reported that the gloves provided aren't the best quality. But here's the thing, if you have your own gloves, you can easily use those instead. For beginners or casual users, this is a minor issue that shouldn't deter you from giving it a shot. This is perfect for families or anyone looking for an affordable boxing trainer. Skip this if you need advanced features or high-end materials, but for its price, it's a fantastic way to get active without breaking the bank.
So, to recap, the TG-LLM Music Boxing Machine offers a fun workout experience. The LOL Box Music Boxing Machine gives excellent sound quality, and the TG-LLM Smart Boxing Machine adds flair with its colorful design. The LOL Box upgraded version brings pro features, while the Upvoci is budget-friendly for families. Each has its strengths, so choose the one that fits your needs best.